Okay, good morning everyone. This is S. Gopal Rao, Assistant Professor, Department of English, PB Siddhartha College of Arts and Science. Today, I would like to tell you asking and giving information. Here we have two important speaking skills, asking for information and giving information. When someone asks for information, information can be simple as asking for the time or complicated as asking for the details. About a complicated information in both cases, it is important to use the appropriate form of the situation. For example, when asking for the information from a friend, use a more informal or colloquial form. When asking a colleague, use the formal situation. And when asking for information from a stranger, use an appropriate way, more formal way. You must remember to be polite when approaching someone for a help, especially with strangers, elder, etc. Now I will show you some examples like asking and giving information. The first dialogue number one, a casual talking between brother and sister. So, brother asking sister, when does the movie start? Sister replied, I think it is 8 o'clock. Brother, check will you? Sister, you are so lazy. Just a second. Thank you, sister. Yes, it is start at 8 p.m. Get to coach sometimes. Then I will start at example 2 at the railway station A and B. A, I would like to some information about the trains. B, yes. Could you please tell me what is the time train to Mumbai leaves? Yes, the next train leaves at 11 a.m. Do you know how long it time takes? Let me check once. It takes 28 hours. Now I am going to example 3. So a conversation between at the travel officer, receptionist and caller. Receptionist started, good evening, Orange Travels. Caller, good evening, madam. Could you tell me what time the Volvo coach leave for Tirupati, please? Receptionist, there are two coaches to Tirupati every day. One at 6 p.m. and another one is 8 p.m. Okay, caller, could you reserve five seats on the 8 p.m. coach for the 25th of this month, please? Receptionist, in whose name should be I make the booking, sir? Caller, it is Jagdish and Jagdish family. Receptionist, yes, sir. I will repeat that 5 seats for the Mr. Jagdish Rao and family on 8 p.m. coach for 25th of this month. Caller, that is right. Thank you, receptionist. Welcome, sir. So then, one more example, a dialogue between at the shopping mall, customer and shop assistant. Customer, excuse me, can you tell me where I can find a menswear? Shop assistant. Sure, menswear is on the second floor. Customer. Oh, also could you tell me where is the shop number 3? Shop assistant. No problem. Shop number 3 is on the third floor at the back. So customer, thanks for your help. It's my pleasure. And the last but not least, a dialogue between at the cinema hall A and B. A, good morning, sir. B, good morning. Could you tell me when the movie starts? Let me check. It's start at 7:45 p.m. But I see, do you know if there is a later showing? Of course, I can. There is one at 9:15. There is no also a late one 10:45 p.m. Thank you. One more thing, could you find out of how long the movie is? Let me see. It says on my paper that is 2 hours long, but there will be advertisements before it starts. Does that answer your question? Yes, it is does. Thanks for your help. You are welcome. So my session is completed. So learning my way. If you have the will, I will show the way. Thank you, everyone.